Got a laptop or PC? Here are the Windows 11 tips and tricks you didn't know you needed until right now. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and I have tips and tricks for all your devices over at CyberGuy.com. Be sure to sign up for my free newsletter while you're there. First, turn on clipboard history. Have you ever wanted to copy and paste more than one thing at a time, or copied some text and forgot to paste it somewhere else and then completely losing it? On Windows, you can go to your settings, go to System, and tap Clipboard. Then you can toggle on Clipboard History, which will then let you copy multiple items at once and view your clipboard history so you can decide what to paste. Next, if you want to be extra private when it comes to your computer's camera, I think you do, you may already have a sticky note or cover on it. You can also take your privacy a step further by going to Settings, Privacy and Security, and tapping Camera under App Permissions. Here you can turn off camera access. That way no one can hack into your camera through an app without you turning this setting back on. A great feature built in on Windows 11 computers is the Snipping tool. It lets you take screenshots and screen recordings of either the full screen or just a section of it that you designate. Then you can save or send those screenshots to anyone. Next, avoid embarrassing typos and enable autocorrect on your PC. Make sure your autocorrect misspelled words and highlight misspelled words is turned on. That way you can catch any mistakes before sending an email, for example. Finally, change the size and style of your mouse pointer. Sometimes it's just hard to find the pointer on the screen or see where it's landing exactly. So adjust this in your PC setting under Accessibility. Tap Mouse Pointer and Touch. Then you can choose a different pointer style or adjust the size so that it's bigger on the screen. For more tips to help out every day, head to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my free newsletter.